Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Lauren. I hope that you're all staying healthy and safe and well as your loved ones. And I know I always preface my videos by saying that, and I feel like a robot sometimes. I'm like saying the same thing over and over, but like honestly and truly, I really hope that you are healthy and safe and that you're doing well, like your mental health. I really feel like we're all being pushed to our limits this year, and it's hard. It's hard to take a step back and to take a break and to really engage in some self-care and have time to do that, because like even with me, I'm feeling pushed to the point where like the burden is so much on my shoulders right now with work, and yeah, I know I need to take a step back. It's just really difficult to do so. So filming for me is kind of that nice break, except when I have to film for work, which I do have to film for work after this. So this is a nice break. I'm going to show you what I picked up from Louis Vuitton this week. If you follow me on Instagram, then you know that I posted a picture of like these two lovely little bags sitting in my, or riding shotgun with me. They're not big things, I should also say that, because everyone's like, oh, what did you get? What did you get? But they are two SLGs. They're not from the Game On collection, even though they gave us this packaging. So I really like this packaging though, so I'm all for it. One item is for me and one item is actually going to be for one of you. I am going to be doing my giveaway coming up. I believe I'm going to post it next Saturday or Sunday. I think I'll post it Sunday because next Sunday is my birthday, so it'll kind of be like a way to celebrate all of us together. So there will be something in there from Louis Vuitton. There's also going to be something in there from Aritzia, something from like a local business here. I haven't figured out everything that's going to be in it, but it will be posted next Sunday. So let me just show you what I got, because I can talk forever. My students tell me I talk too much, but I'm so passionate about food, and if you don't know, like I teach foods and nutrition, so I'm always talking about it. Okay, so in this big bag, I just took out the box. This is it right here. This is a fairly hard to find piece. I will say that. So I've been kind of stalking it online now for about, I would say, two and a half weeks, and it's always, it has that, what does it say, like notify me, out of stock, and then you can check the availability in the stores and things like that. And so it's constantly out of stock. And then last Wednesday, I checked the availability in stores, and it showed up that it was at my Holt Renfrew, at the Louis Vuitton in the Holt Renfrew. And so I was like, okay, I need to get it. So I went on Thursday and I picked it up, and it was actually the only one that was in store. So I'm really happy that I got this. Let me just show you what's inside. I don't know if you can tell by the size of the box what it could possibly be. I did look into this already, like I peeked into it when I got home, just because when I went into the store, it was so busy. And I just didn't want to stay in the store too long because there were so many people in the store. Even though they were like limiting the amount of people, it was still fairly busy. I have the nicest client advisor ever. I think his name was Travis. He was so nice. Like everything that you want in a client advisor when you go into Louis Vuitton, because it can be kind of intimidating, right? He was just so great. So thank you to him. This is it here. I came wrapped a little bit better. This is not the dust bag for it. He was so nice. And I watched some reviews on this, and some people are like, yeah, I don't get a dust bag. There actually isn't one made for it. So I asked him if there was a dust bag. He's like, you know what, I'll just see if there is one. He's like, it might just be a bigger one, but I'll try my hardest. So this is like a massive dust bag. And now you can probably tell what this is. But this is the desk agenda. I'm so happy to get this, honestly, like I said, because it's really, really hard to find. I feel like a lot of the agendas, aside from like the PM size, which I believe is the smallest, are pretty hard to find, especially this one in monogram. Actually, this in the Damia Ben is just as hard. And I started to look at the pre-love market for this, and people are selling it for like the same price or more. And so I just really wanted to find it in store and find a new one. So this is it right here. It's very basic, but I'm hoping it will keep me organized. I will show you the planner that I got for this to fit inside in case you're wondering. So this is it right here. This is the desk agenda, obviously in just like the monogram canvas. So it just has the monogram on the front and the back, and then it has just all leather on the inside. And then it has, on this side, there's just a flap to put your actual agenda sort of in if you want to. And then there has like a big sort of secretarial pocket, like a small little pocket. I'm not even showing you right here. And then card slots on the side, and then another sort of slot right here. I guess this would be good for business cards. And then that's it. Mine is made in France, which is nice. And it's just, yeah, it's just sort of bare bones like this. Like I said, this is so hard to find. And the same with, I had looked into this one and I had looked into the large or like the GM agenda. They're relatively the same size for both of them. The actual agenda obviously has like the binder kind of in the middle. And I think it's like a little bit different, but size-wise, they're relatively the same. There is a difference in price. So this is $570, whereas the agenda is $795. So you're looking at like a $200 difference between the two. So that was definitely a factor in choosing. But I also watched a ton of reviews on YouTube, and a large majority of the people were actually saying that they prefer the desk agenda as opposed to just like the regular agenda in the GM size. Because you can fit more in this. So you can fit, like, for example, your agenda and a notebook, and it's just, you have a little more flexibility because there's not that sort of binder ring in it. It just has like these open flaps kind of there. So that's why I chose to go with this, and I just wanted the monogram because I love the monogram print in this. I'm falling in love with the monogram a little bit more. If you know that a lot of my SLGs are in the, like, I think I have this here because I was just putting lip gloss on, but most of my SLGs are in like the Damier Ebene. I'm just like beginning to fall in love with the monogram. So yes, that's it. Very bare bones, kind of basic. If you want to know dimensions, I can quickly tell you that because I think I just had it up because I was looking to see if it's available again. It is 7.1 inches across and 9.1 inches down. This fits an A5 journal or agenda if you're wondering. They also sell the inserts that go in it, but they're a little bit pricey, and I find that they're kind of limited in what you can do with it. So I'm going to show you really quickly what agenda I got to work with this. So I knew I wanted an agenda that was already done, that I didn't sort of have to put together and order separate pieces, because you just have to wait for a while, and I don't know, it can be a little bit expensive. I looked into cloth and paper and it was like fairly expensive. I looked into some designers on Etsy, and it's just, I need something that's already done for me, essentially, is what I'm trying to say. So I bought this one off Amazon, and this is by Clever Fox. I don't know what that is. It's a lip gloss, I think. I have already opened it. This actually came really nicely packaged. This was $50, so it's a pricier agenda, but I feel like for what you get, it's pretty good. I did already open this and I started writing things in it, but I thought I would show you because I think that this is like the perfect agenda to fit in here. If you already want something that's kind of pre-made, it tells you everything, kind of guides you through it because there is a lot of stuff. There's so many cute stickers too. Like, look at this. So it's like rose gold days, sorry, not the days, like the months, and then they have like a pizza. How cute is that pizza? And then like a little fox. Oh my gosh. I love stickers. And like a frappuccino. These are so cute for being like in like a planner, to be included free with it. And then on this one, there's like this is what I need to do. The no spend challenge. 'Cause that hasn't been happening. Ooh, but my favorite, like payday. These stickers are really cute. Am I the only one that loves stickers? I can't be, or they wouldn't include all these things. Like, oh, look at this. Like, it's okay to be proud of yourself, because truly, it is okay to be proud of yourself. You're worth more than second thoughts and maybes. Like, these are cute, just little inspirational things. Like I said, I will link this all down below, but I'm a sucker for stickers. And if it's gonna make my agenda look even prettier, I'm gonna wanna use these. So I got the rose gold one, which I think is so pretty. and it's guided. So it tells you kind of like what you need to do. It has like your 3-month goals, and then it has like a mind map, and then like, so you can see I've already started filling in things that for December. So I thought I would show you the agenda up close. So I got the one that is undated, which I like because say you miss a month or say you miss like a week, then you're not kind of just having excess paper in there. So it has like this month's goals, this month's wins, things like places to go, skills to learn. And then after that month, it also has like a monthly review where you can do your biggest wins. You can talk about the different areas in your life. You can like shade it in sort of what areas were lacking. So like, did you spend more time doing like, I don't know, family and friends things as opposed to like health and fitness, tasks that you didn't accomplish. All these things that I think really help with self-care and mental health and keeping you accountable. I really like this. And then you have like your 3-month goals, your mind map, and it has this for every 3 months. So you get like the 3-month goals, your mind map, and then the weekly, like I said, it's undated. So Monday to Sunday is all on one page, which I love. I don't really like having both pages, just because I feel like I don't need that much room. And then over here you have like places for your goals, your priorities, extra sort of writing space, to-do list, all this really great stuff, and I just love it. I love having it already done for me. And then this is what my I was telling you about. I believe her name is Raisa. This is like the little note she sent me with it. She's so cute. I'll leave her Instagram down below. She sells them on Amazon. I did pick up 2 more to give away as gifts because I think that they're awesome. So that's her. And then this is just like a tear kind of sheet. And so all I did was like slip it there under the secretarial pocket. And then I can like, in the morning when I'm looking at this, I can see what I need to add here and then take this and tear it and go, which I think is awesome because like I said, I'm going to leave this planner at home. And then she included like some of these really cute, like the aesthetic is so cute. So these little calendar cards, which is really nice. So you can kind of go through those quickly, and I slipped those in there. And then all those cool stickers I was showing you, I just kind of slipped behind here. So it fits perfectly. I probably could have even gotten like a tiny bit sort of bigger, but the thing with the desk agenda is that, as you can probably tell by the name, it's meant to sort of stay on the desk. So whereas the other agenda, I think it's more meant for kind of on the go, because the other agenda has like a pen loop that you can put in. So I think that that's supposed to be a little bit functional, and also has like the snap kind of closure on it to keep it closed. So if you're, you know, traveling with it, or if it's in your bag, like its papers aren't going to fall out. But honestly, I'm not planning on taking this to work with me. I'm just planning on using it at home, so it will just stay on my desk or like on my little table right over here. So yeah, the A5 fits in perfectly, as you can kind of see, just like that. All right, so that is the first item that I got from Louis Vuitton. I know it can be like a little bit of a splurge because honestly, I could just use the agenda as is. I don't need the desk cover, but I love the look of it. And I feel like sometimes when things are kind of prettier, you want to use them more. And so this will make me actually more accountable. And I feel like I'll use the agenda more if I see it sitting there and think, okay, Lauren, you paid like $600 for that agenda cover. You better use your frickin' agenda. So anyway, that is that. Okay, so the next item is one that is going to be given to one of you in the giveaway. I'm so excited because this is my favorite Louis Vuitton SLG. And so if you watched any of my previous videos, then you might know what this is. Last year when I had a giveaway, I gave away the clay, and I gave away like other Aritzia pieces and things like that. So obviously I had to have something Louis Vuitton in there for you, and there will be an Aritzia piece in there for you as well. This is my favorite piece from Louis Vuitton, my favorite SLG. I did include a gift receipt in case the person, whoever wins this, wants to exchange it. Maybe it's not their cup of tea, but honestly, like, I love this so much. Why would you want it? So it's wrapped up here. I haven't peeked inside here, but I'm going to right now. And there's a little card. So like I said, I had told the essay that this one was a gift, so he included that card. And then this is the cute, I always find these little dust bags so cute. So when you open it up, you have the 6 key ring holder, but in monogram. So my 6 key ring holder, which I love, and it's well used, as you can see. I have mine in the Damier Ebene. My favorite piece, hands down. I love it, so I had to pick this one up for you, and I chose between like 3 because I didn't want like any sort of like scratches or anything on there. So this one's nice and shiny and brand new, as you can kind of see there. So I don't even think they like remove this because usually it doesn't even come with that. This one is made in France, hooray. So it's just my favorite piece from Louis Vuitton. It has like a little slip back here. You can put in some like money or something like that. But yeah, I love my 6 key ring holder. I feel like I need to like dust that off now. I love my 6 key ring holder. Like I said, this comes with me daily. I use it all the time. I have a video on it. I have my little sort of like hack there. And so you can see mine's open up. I've had this now for quite, I don't know, like 2.5 years. And I feel like the wear on it's pretty good. There's like a little bit of wear on the glazing down there. But I mean, I throw this into my bag, like my work bag, my handbags. I throw it everywhere. And honestly, this is the piece I take with me every single day. Every day, even if I just have to leave the apartment to, I don't know, go across the street or something like that, this has to come with me. So it is my favorite piece, so I picked it up for you, and I picked it up in the monogram because honestly, I personally love the monogram in this. I kind of wish I had picked it up in the monogram, but I didn't. So maybe when this one gets completely like beat, I will buy it in that. But yeah, so that is one of the giveaway pieces. So I'm gonna put it back in here and back in the box and not touch it. And I'm gonna put the gift receipt in there as well. So yes, like I said, I will post everything. I will post the video next week for the giveaway and all the rules and everything like that. But those are the 2 pieces I got from Louis Vuitton. I'm talking too much. I'm gonna stop. So I hope that you have a good day, and I really appreciate all of you for watching and subscribing, and please continue to leave comments because I honestly love reading them and engaging with you. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.